Hang on, I've got the card. Hi guys, my name's Imogen, I'm 20 years old and I'm currently studying geography with German at LSE. Today we are not talking about my degree, however, we're going to talk all about my room, and I'm currently staying in halls up in London. So as you may have seen in my other video, my moving to LSE video, I actually share a room with two other people, Leah and Hannah, and for the purpose of this video I am going to show you a quick overview of the room, but obviously we're just going to focus on my bit because if they want to start a YouTube channel they can. My birthday yesterday on Wednesday, and my grandma kindly sent me this balloon in the post to my hall's residence, so that is the first thing that we've got in the room. Go! Yeah, go pull it. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Lily! Happy birthday to you! And then on my desk, which is just here, I've got my room card, which I need all the time and I'm always forgetting. We've got some hand sanitizer, which was lovely, provided by LSE, thank you very much. And then my personal favourite thing on my desk is Peter the plant. So this is Peter. It's fake, so I can't kill it, because I'm not responsible enough for that. Then I've just got a mirror, like all of my makeup bits and pieces over here, and some broken sunglasses. I've got this lamp that was provided by LSE, thanks again. My laptop so that I can do some work. I'd like to point out this was an absolute tip about 10 minutes ago, but I have tidied it all up for the purposes of the video. My room is not always this tidy. And then I've got this print, which I actually just printed off the internet and put in a frame which I got from Tiger. I think it looks quite nice. Very low cost option if anyone's looking to do up their desk at university. And then on the end of here I've got my wristband, that just gets me into dinner because I'm in catered halls, and my mask which I have to wear all around the building. So moving down, we have 3 drawers which are kindly provided on the desk. And in the first one I just have some stationery bits and pieces. I've got headphones because obviously a lot of our university is online at the moment, and when you share a room with other people, like sometimes we just happen to have clashes and we all need to plug in and listen to our own separate lectures. And then I just have folders, blue tack, sellotape, the usual. Moving into the second drawer, this is actually just got my stuff for the bathroom because we have shared bathrooms here, and so it's just a bag of all of my toiletries. And finally, in the bottom drawer, I just have all miscellaneous bits and pieces. Here are some biodegradable wipes, again provided by LSE, thank you very much. Plastic bags so that I can put them in the bin, masks, Google Home, some happy birthday stuff, and some paracetamol. Really not very exciting, but that's what's in my drawers. Moving upwards to the shelves, so as we have a kitchen which is shared between 30 different people on this floor, and we only have about like 4 cupboards. In fact, maybe I'll put an overlay in here of the kitchen if I get a chance today. Then a lot of my stuff obviously needs to be kept in my room. You might be wondering why it looks like I'm having a permanent picnic, and that is because I brought everything up in 2 suitcases, as you will have seen, and so I thought it would be easier to have plastic things just because it's less likely to get broken when moving between home and uni in London. So up here I've got 3 Tupperware tubs, which is for keeping food from the night before, which is especially useful when you're catered in the evenings but we don't have lunch, because you can often keep some of the catered food and have it for lunch, and it saves you a lot of money, so student tip, there you go. And then we also have, I just have a couple of mugs. I'm not going to lie, I haven't really used these, but I have them anyway. This one just stores all of my cutlery and things in it, and this one, I quite like this one. Got it from Wilko for 75p in a sale a couple of Christmases ago. Then obviously I've got all of my picnic stuff. I've got 1 pan because realistically I'm not going to be cooking that much, so I've only brought 1 pan up to uni with me. Also, as I think I've already mentioned, it was my birthday yesterday, so I do have quite a few cards on the top of here, which I think just makes it look a lot more homely. And thank you very much if you can spot your cards up here, because I know a lot of my friends have sent me cards. And there's also some more on my desk here, which I'm going to put up later today. Then just moving over here, I have this like collapsible box, which is really handy for when I'm traveling with a suitcase because it folds down really, really small, but also it can hold all of my food. So I just have loads and loads of jars of like pasta sauce, just like some curry sauce, sweet corn, the essentials basically. And then I've also got some chocolate wraps, some squash which I've nearly finished already, and some Pringles and some cereal behind there. And then these are just some post-it notes to remind me of things that I need to do because I'm very forgetful. So then moving over onto the bed area, I just have these fairy lights, which they were quite expensive. They're about £10 from Amazon, but they look really, really nice at night. And then I also have the, bye post-it note. I also have the remote for those here. They actually have 8 settings, although I don't use any of them. Then I have this little elephant, which actually was really kindly bought for me by the boys in my hall because it was my birthday yesterday. And so, yeah, they bought me an elephant, which I really like because it reminds me of my gap year. Then over the back of here, I don't actually have that much stuff, I just have more fairy lights. But I do have my tripod for filming for YouTube. Not that I've done a lot of that whilst I've been here so far. And up here, I also bought this like peg and string set from Amazon for I think like £1.70, and it's really, really good. And I've just strung up some of my photos which I got printed with free prints. And then on the side of this wardrobe, I've also just used blue tack to stick up some photos of all of my friends. So I'm sure a lot of you watching will be able to spot yourselves on my wall or strung up along the top of my bed. This bedding is just bedding from home because I didn't really want new bedding, quite liked my old bedding. So I just brought up one of my duvet covers with me and I really like that. You will notice there's quite a bit of mess here. This is stuff I need to take out to the bin, and this is stuff for my birthday, which I need to find somewhere to store it. I was going to say the one thing that this room probably doesn't have is like enough storage. We can definitely kind of hide things away, but there's not a lot of accessible storage in here. But then I am sharing a room with 2 other people, so it's quite hard to have enough space for everybody to put their stuff. Also, going back underneath the desk, I just kept my shoes down here, but I could also keep them on top of the wardrobe or somewhere else. But for now, they're down here. Just very practical and handy. Then this wardrobe is actually not my wardrobe because the way we've kind of configured the room, we have a wardrobe opposite where we're sleeping, so everyone has the same kind of layout. So this wardrobe over here is actually mine. So inside my wardrobe we have not very many clothes because I need to do a wash soon, so they're all in the wash. I just have this denim jacket and a dress, but it is so cold in London right now. I definitely did not need to bring this with me. I have my rucksack, which I take to uni with me, one of my suitcases, and I just have this Sports Direct bag, which I'm using as a laundry bag at the moment. And then on this side, I have trousers, jumpers, tops, and towels. And then like down here, just underwear and bags and stuff. There's plenty of storage space. If I needed more, I definitely could have sorted something out, but I don't actually, well, I haven't bought that many clothes to uni because I packed as if I was staying for 2 weeks. And then I'm just going to wash everything. So this is perfect, and it actually has a mirror on the inside of here, which is really handy. So I think that is everything in our room. I don't really have much else to show you. I really hope you enjoyed looking around what a triple room looks like. I know it's quite unusual and a lot of universities don't have it, so hopefully this has been a little bit interesting for you. And if you have enjoyed this video, definitely do give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below to see more videos from me all about life at LSE, and I will see you next time with a new video. Here's the balloon.
Wait. Okay.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
So can they see me as well? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm really nervous. Shit, you're making me really nervous.